Alrighty guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about how beginner investors can use Finviz for their swing trading capabilities. We're going to be looking at a couple screeners that I use on Finviz. It's super simple. Now, for those of you that don't know what Finviz is a free stock scanner that really allows you to search the market and really find stocks that meet your criteria so they can overall meet your goals. So let's first break down Finviz and then we can actually look at the charts on the stock here. So looking at Finviz, you guys can see that this has all of the top 3 indexes, and then really right here we have the S&P 500 broken down by color. So you can pretty much look at it and instantly know what sectors are going up or down. So really technology did get hit pretty hard. Financial did pretty decent. We had a couple stocks moving, but we also had a couple stocks fall. So you guys can see it was kind of a mixed day in the market. But now over here, we have the top gainers, new highs, unusual volume. Now, all these stocks right in here, these are really going to be sought after by day traders. These are going to be stocks that people want to scalp, get in and out of very, very quickly. So as a beginner investor, I would recommend trying to stay away from some of these because they're pretty risky. But now you guys can see some of these down in here. This is a trend line support, trend line resistance. Now, for those of you that don't know what a support line is a price target that has a recent buying pressure at that zone. Trend line resistance is selling pressure. So that would be a good opportunity to go short. Now, another thing here is we have channel up, channel, and then channel down. So up is like buying pressure, channel is consolidation, channel down is shorting. But now looking back over here at the support and resistance, what you guys can do is literally just click that signal and you will have all of the stocks that are on their support. So you guys can look and say, okay, this has previous buying pressure at $18. Maybe this has a possibility of coming back up to 12. So what you would do is you would literally just type in the ticker COGT, put it right in your chart, COGT, click add, and then go to the weekly volume here so you guys can see. Okay, it looks like I did recently look at this one, which I don't even remember. So we have resistance, and then we do have support, but we did get some selling pressure, so there could be some support stepping in. So if you were going to hop into this trade right now, we did get a breakdown of a support line. So this one, the next real buying pressure is going to be right around $4. So that's a pretty high risk level for it to come back up. So you're risking pretty much $4 to make $4. That's like 1 to 1. We want to look for ratios at 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1. So you're risking $1 to make $3 or $4. So going back to the scanner here, all you have to do is just literally look at it. But the issue is this has so many stock. Look at this. We have 9 full pages of this. So another thing you guys can do is click the screener tab. Okay. So what this does is it puts all of the stocks all in one. So you guys can see we have 7,940 stock. But now we're going to click all right here. So this puts the descriptive, fundamental, and technical all in one little scanner here, so you don't have to pick and choose here. So now the next thing you guys want to do is you guys want to go to price right here. You're going to want to go to under 20 or 30. I'll go under 30. Why I like that is so I can really capitalize on shares. So you can buy quite a bit of shares, and if the stock goes parabolic, you make a lot more money that way. But with that, you can't buy as much as if you guys have a small account, but it's still a perfect investment strategy or a swing trading strategy here. So now the next thing here is you want to go to average volume. You're going to want to click over 500,000. So this means that this is a pretty actively bought stock. You know, it's not some random stock. This is going to be stock that people are buying, people are interested in. It's very important. So now the next thing here is the relative volume. Relative volume is very important, and what that is it's pretty much the overall demand for the stock. And I like to go over 0.75 or 0.5 or even over 1. We'll just go 0.75 for the time being. So now we eliminate it all the way down to 656 stock. So now the next thing is we want a pattern. Remember how I said support, resistance? So now we're going to want to go support strong. So these are going to be stocks that are at very strong support. So now we're going to click charts And now instead of 9, we have 3. So really, GPL, let's look at this one here. GPL, you guys can see it does have some overall support here from around 78 cents to about 75 cents. So you could literally risk, let's just say 5 cents to possibly have this go back up to 110. That would be a perfect risk and reward ratio. This is why a lot of people love Finviz, because it's free. Anybody can use it. And on top of it is it has all of the fundamentals down in here. You guys can see the forward PE, very, very low. So that's perfect. The gross margin, 32%, pretty high. The operating margin, profit margin isn't super high. But overall, this is a pretty decent swing trade opportunity. Would this be a good long-term investment? Absolutely not, because I don't care where this stock's going to be in the next 10 years. All I care about is this stock going to bring me a little opportunity so I can scalp some trades over the next 2 weeks. Because as a swing trader, you don't care about the long-term goal of a company. You just care about the next couple of weeks. So really, that's pretty much how I find stock using Finviz. And then what I will do is I will remember the ticker GPL. I'll go to my chart here on TD Ameritrade and go GPL, mark it out. We'll go here. So we have the overall resistance. We have support here. The beauty is you guys see this purple line here, this dark purple. This is what you call a 90 moving average line. So really, when the stock is below it like it is in here, you guys can see it's used it as resistance. But now once we get a break above it, stocks have a tendency to use that as support. So what you could do is hop in at, let's just say 78 cents, set your stops here at 72, risk 6 cents to possibly make upwards of 25, 30 cents per share. So really, guys, this is how you guys can start swing trading. And the beauty is on TD Ameritrade, they have a paper trading account. So you really don't have to use your own money. You can develop a strategy that works well for you. That's pretty much my swing trading strategy. I try to make it stupid simple. That's it. Because I understand that if I make everything too complicated, I'm going to miss out on one opportunity. 2, I'm going to be overall confused and I'm going to miss out on stocks. So really, guys, that is how I use Finviz to make and use it for swing trading. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have a course really talking about how to properly invest. So I'll put a link to that down below, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. But that's pretty much how I use Finviz in 2021. Very similar to 2020 and 2019, because I keep my swing trading strategy very, very simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys got anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe. But we'll see you guys later. Take care.